Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you're fine. I hope you're staying safe, and I hope you're taking all the measures to keep yourself safe and you're still enjoying your holidays. I hope you did my last week assignments. I'm here today again, still your home economics teacher. We are going to talk on the topic today, homemade cleaning agents. Remember, we were talking about cleaning agents last week, and we talked about the types of cleaning agents, example, and their uses. But today, we are going to talk about homemade cleaning agent. Homemade cleaning agent, and the content of our today's lesson is homemade cleaning agents, guidelines for the use of cleaning agents, cleaning equipment, general guidelines or rules for care of cleaning equipment. Let's look at homemade cleaning agents. As the name implies, homemade cleaning agents are different materials that can be obtained or produced in the home and used as cleaning agents. And these materials include fine sand. Number one, fine sand. What are fine sand? This can be used as an abrasive for cleaning pots. It should not be used on smooth surfaces to avoid scratching. It can be used as an abrasive for cleaning pots and should not be used on smooth surfaces to avoid scratching. Number two is Edo powder. Edo powder, what do you mean by Edo powder? It is a yellow color substance that is common in Nigerian market. It has a fine, smooth texture. It can be used for cleaning ornaments such as copper, gold, brass. If you go to the market and say you're looking for Edo powder, you will find it. Okay, let's look at finely ground charcoal. What are finely ground charcoal? This can be used for cleaning smooth metal surfaces. Remember, we didn't use the other one for smooth surfaces. Now we are going to use finely ground charcoal because this one is smooth. Then you can use it on your smooth surfaces. When you use it on your smooth surfaces, it will not scratch your surfaces. Okay, let's look at pawpaw leaves. Pawpaw leaves can be used as to make cleaning agent at home too. Fresh pawpaw leaves can be used for cleaning dirty galvanized pearls and blackened aluminum pans and pots. Okay, let's look at local sandpaper leaves. Sandpaper leaves, aziza leaves. It is called aziza leaf. It is rough. It's kind of rough. You can use it to sand your pots. These leaves have raw surfaces, sandy surfaces. They can be used as an abrasive for cleaning plain wood surface, blackened pot, and all other surfaces that you wish to, your pot, your frying pan, all the surfaces that you wish to sand. Okay, homemade vim or scoring powder. Homemade vim or scoring powder. What are homemade vim and scoring powder? They are abrasive. That one is usually used, mostly used. You can use it to scrub your pot, and you can use it to scrub your frying pan and all other surfaces. What are the materials needed for making homemade cleaning agents? For example, the vim. When you want to use your vim, these are the materials needed for making this powder at home. It includes eggshell, broken chinaware if it is available, and detergent powder. How do you produce that at home? Listen to me carefully. You will grind the eggshells and pieces of chinaware into very fine powder. You grind it until it is smooth into a fine powder. Then what do you do next? You sift the mixture to ensure a smooth powder. You know, when you finish grinding it, it's not going to be really smooth, but you have to sift it. When you sift it with your sifter, you see that it will get smooth. Then after that, you mix the powder thoroughly with your detergent powder. Mix it with any of the detergent of your choice. When you mix it, it's ready. Your vim powder, is scoring powder, is ready for use. Then you store it in a dry container with a good lid. Store it with a good lid. Then whenever you want to use it, you can use it to scrub your pot, frying pan, and all other different things that you want to scrub. Okay, let's look at guidelines for the use of cleaning agents. What are the guidelines for the use of cleaning agents? Number one is choose the correct cleaning agent for surface to be clean. You have to choose the correct cleaning agent. For example, we've said that if you use a detergent that is not suitable for your surface, it's going to scratch it. So you have to choose the one that is suitable for your surface, not the one that use the one that is smooth for smooth surfaces, and you can use all other ones for surfaces that are not really smooth. Okay, so you have to choose the correct cleaning agent for the surface to be clean. Number two is read labels and instructions on commercial cleaning agents before use. You don't just pick a cleaning agent and use. When you purchase a cleaning agent, you have to read labels. You have to read labels as you've been taught. You will not just go and pick a cleaning agent like someone else that that not have an idea or have not been taught about cleaning agents. You have to differentiate yourself from people that are not being taught. You have to pick the ones, read the label instructions before you use them, so that you won't pick a wrong detergent cleaning agent for your surface. Number three is follow the direction carefully. After reading, you have to follow the direction carefully and also avoid wastage. Avoid wastage when you're using your cleaning agent. Don't use all the cleaning agents pick because you've seen it in your house, because your mom bought it, it's plenty. You have to, carry all of them. Like I used to tell my children, use that thing little by little, little by little, when they see it, when you buy a full cleaning agent, it's new, it's full. They will want to pour it the way they like. They will want to, pour it because it's new, it's still plenty. You have to caution it, use it with caution. Don't waste it, use it little by little so that you can use it some other time. Okay. Number five is store cleaning agent properly. You have to store your cleaning agent properly so that it will not get wasted. For example, if your small sister gets your cleaning agent, she will not know how to preserve it. She will want to pour it. So you have to store it in a place that your small sister or your small brother cannot get in touch with it. Keep it well, store it properly. Keep it in a well sealed, cover it in a well sealed lid so it will not get spoiled or waste or water would enter. Keep away from the reach of children. I've already said keep that away from the reach of children. Label all cleaning agent properly. Label all your cleaning agent properly so that even if your small sister touches it, you will see that this one is dangerous. You can write don't touch, so that a small one will not be able to touch it. Cover the cleaning agent properly. You have to cover it properly. Okay, let's look at cleaning equipment. Cleaning equipment. In order to clean a house, you need such cleaning equipment as broom, brushes, dusters, mops, dustpan, other cleaning equipment, which includes buckets and pails. These can be made of plastic or galvanized iron or enamel. The bucket can be made of plastic or galvanized iron or enamel. Plastic buckets are light in weight. Plastic buckets are light in weight, while enamel buckets, pails are heavy. So when you're using it, you have to use it carefully so that you will not hurt yourself if you are using an enamel pail. Okay, let's look at guidelines for choosing bucket. How do you choose your bucket? Do you just choose a bucket like that? Look at the guidelines below. These are very easy to carry about. Choose a bucket that are very easy to carry about. For example, your rubber buckets are easy to carry about, so you can take it from one place to another rather than carrying a heavy bucket, a pail, a normal pail that you cannot even move, and at the long run it will injure you. So choose a lighter bucket. For example, a rubber bucket have smooth finish. Choose a bucket that have a smooth finish, not the one that will injure you. Have strong handles. Also choose a bucket that has a strong handle. Those ones that the handles will be stronger for a long time, not the ones that immediately you carry it will cut. There are buckets you buy from the market, immediately you carry it, you see them cut, and it's very, very annoying when you purchase a bucket that will cut. Okay, care of bucket. How do you care for your bucket? Number one is wash the bucket after each use. After using your bucket, you have to wash your bucket, keep it clean for the next use. Number two is dry by placing on its side. After washing your bucket, you have to dry it by placing it on its side. Number three is store it properly. Keep your bucket properly, store it properly. Don't keep it in a place carelessly on a place that someone can just hit it and it gets broken. Okay, let's look at carpet sweeper. What are carpet sweeper? It's also a cleaning equipment. This is an this is non-electrical equipment used for removing surface dust and dirt from carpet and rugs. They are non-electrical equipment. They are not electrical, they are non-ones. You can use them to remove dirt from carpet and rugs. It is easily used. When you use them, it will remove your dirt from your carpet and your rugs. Then it does not clean as thoroughly as vacuum cleaner. We also have a vacuum cleaner, but carpet sweeper will not clean as thoroughly as vacuum cleaner. That means vacuum cleaner cleans more than carpet sweeper. Okay, let's look at vacuum cleaner now. What are vacuum cleaners? This is electrical labor saving device. It is used for removing dust from curtains. You can use it to remove dust from your curtains. Vacuum cleaner is a major equipment. It should be used and maintained according to the direction in the manufacturer's handbook which comes with it. That means before you use your vacuum cleaner, you have to read your manufacturer's manual handbook. You don't just carry it and use like that. You have to read your handbook, your manual, so that you'll be able to use it effectively. Okay, let's look at general guidelines for rules for care of cleaning equipment. What are the guidelines or rules for care of cleaning equipment? Number one is handle them carefully. Handle your cleaning equipment carefully. Don't use it carelessly. Don't store it carelessly. Don't keep it carelessly. Use them correctly. Use your cleaning equipment correctly. Read your manufacturer's manual before you use them as you've been told. After each use, clean the equipment. For instance, remove dirt from bristles of brushes and brooms. Wash mops and dry. Wash dustpans and buckets. After each use, wash your remove dirt from your bristle. You've been told how to care for your bristles. When you've been told that you have to wash your brooms and brushes, heat it with the warm water and detergent. That's how to care for your brooms. Then you wash your mops. Wash your mops with detergent. You can put a little like bleach. You can put a little bleach and wash your mops to make it clean. You dry it after washing. Dry it after wash. Dry it outside after wash. Air it. Wash dustpans and buckets. Wash the dustpans to make it clean, and wash your buckets and keep them clean and tidy for the next use. Okay, let's look at general guidelines or rule for care of cleaning equipment too. Number 4 is give each equipment more thorough cleaning once a week. Wash your equipment, give it thorough cleaning at least once a week. If it means doing it after 2 days, depending on how you use them, whether it's very dirty or not, you have to wash it and clean it. Or at least if it's not very dirty, keep it clean once a week. Number 5 is store each equipment properly after use and cleaning. After using your equipment and after using it for cleaning, you have to store it properly. Avoid damaging equipment. Don't damage your equipment. Things are very, very costly. Don't damage your equipment. Don't damage your parents' equipment. After use, wash it, clean it, and store it properly. Repair a damaged equipment as soon as possible. If your equipment get damaged in the course of using it, repair it immediately so that you can use it again. Okay, we've talked about so many things: equipment, how to use it, how to care for it, how to store it, cleaning equipment. You've talked about so many things today. Scoring powder, how you can make your vim, how you can make your cleaning agents. And I hope you understand them. I know you understand them. You have to keep reading it, copy the note and read it, study it once again, read it to your understanding. Check your textbooks for more understanding. Before now, I have an assignment for you. The assignment have been here. It has already been shown since. So what you do for me is prepare a scoring powder, local vim using an eggshell. Okay, I've explained to you how you can use an eggshell to make a scoring powder. So prepare a scoring powder for me at home. When you eat that egg, don't dump it. Don't dump the shell. Keep it, pile it at when it's sufficient, when it's plenty, you take it, prepare a scoring powder for me. As from today, you know that you're not going to dump your eggshell. If you don't build eggshell, you will get it, because you have to prepare that scoring powder for me. It's going to be your assignment, and I'm going to record it when you're back from the pandemic period, when you're back from your holidays. Okay, before I go, I have here an email, that you can reach out to me for your questions, for your answers to your questions. If you have questions to ask, you can reach out to me through this email, js2@brightfuturecollege.com. js2@brightfuturecollege.com. Make sure you write it down. Make sure you write it down so that you can get to me if you have any question, and I will reply it. Okay, that will be all for today. Do my assignments, read your books, stay safe, and God bless. Thank you. Bye.